Here, the NCB vigilance team, meanwhile, is in Mumbai. They've come down from Delhi only to probe those allegations that have been levelled against Sameer Wankhede, an internal vigilance inquiry into allegations of corruption, of bribery and extortion. In fact, a day after the NCB, after questioning NCB zonal head Sameer Wankhede for about 4 hours, vigilance team is now questioning another agency officer named Ashish Ranjan Prasad, who is involved in this cruise drug bust probe. In fact, the grilling is happening over charges of extortion levelled against Sameer Wankhede by an independent witness, Prabhakar Sale. The Chief Vigilance Officer and NCB DDG Gyaneshwar Singh has reached the CRPF camp where statements of the witnesses and some other officers of the NCB who are probing this drug bust case will be recorded. And during the questioning today, sources say that Sameer Wankhede didn't answer several questions that were posed to him. Wankhede has denied any wrongdoing and said that all these allegations are a bid to hamper this ongoing probe. NCB vigilance team has also requested witnesses KP Gosavi and Prabhakar Sale to join the investigation. Gosavi, however, has been arrested by the Pune police right this morning in an old cheating case.
I don't have to say anything, please. Okay. I don't have to say anything, please. Okay.
First of all, where the inquiry has reached, because it's been just 2 days. I understand that you yesterday, for 4 hours at least, you questioned Sameer Wankhede with respect to various aspects of this particular inquiry. What exactly have you got to know about the whole case and where has it reached at this point?
I came along with 4 other members of the special inquiry team yesterday. We collected certain documents. We have examined few witnesses, including Mr. Sameer. We have recorded their statements. We have collected certain other documents from them. And we are calling more witnesses today. And what has emerged will be difficult for me to share in the media, but we are doing our job diligently.